What's up, guys? How you doing? It's Matthew Neer with Digital Bankroll. Let's talk about Kekius Maximus. Elon Musk changed his profile picture back, and the token crashes in price. It goes down to almost nothing, $300 million in market cap, wiped out in minutes, it seems like, right? Is it the end of the token, or is it just the beginning, my friends? Okay, look, so if you followed it, okay, this is on CoinGecko. Kekius Maximus started taking off right here when Elon Musk changed his profile picture around 1 a.m. Eastern on New Year's Eve, okay? It peaked up here at about 38 cents, a 100 and, we can't see about market cap there. Can we see here? Yes, we can. Market cap was about 380 million, 400 million. Very exciting, okay? And so it took off, but then he changed his profile picture back and it crashed all the way back down here. People were paper-handed out of their tokens. They sold because they're weak and they fold like napkins. But if you held like you have diamond hands, like you should when you see a narrative launch like this, then guess what? It's steadily climbing back up. And I think that Kekius Maximus has the potential to get a Binance listing and perhaps a lot more. If you look here inside the markets, this thing got a ton of centralized exchange listings at record freaking speed. It got XT, CoinX, LBank, Gate.io, which is a big one, Arbit, BingX, Hybit, MEXC, AscendX, and there's more on the way in record speed, like literally within 24 hours, all those guys picked them up and listed this Kekius Maximus, okay? Now, I want to point something else out, guys, okay? If you're out there and you're looking at Kekius Maximus on CoinMarketCap, it's not on CoinMarketCap as of making this video. These are fake Kekius Maximus, okay? Look at this one here. It's only 100K market cap. There's no exchanges. There's no centralized exchanges, guys. Don't get cheated out of your cash, okay? Don't get cheated out of your crypto. Make sure you buy the right one. How do you know it's the right one? I'm telling you right now, it's the one with the most centralized exchanges. The contract address is ending in, where's our contract address here? Where are you? Right here. 7DD9, okay? That's the correct contract address. Make sure you buy the right Kekius Maximus. I really do think that this one is going to billions over the bull run here. He launched, Elon being the one who launched this, a new narrative around Pepe the Frog, Kekius Maximus, and much more. I think this token right here is Elon's Pepe, if you will. It's a token, an ERC20 token. And that brings up another point that I want to talk about here, which is potentially going to be controversial. A lot of people are going to get some hate on me for this one, but I don't even care. I know that I'm right, okay? I know that I'm right. Watch this, okay? Here's the Pepe that everybody thinks is the chosen one, but you're all wrong, okay? You're all wrong. This is not the chosen one, even though this Pepe still will probably go to 100 billion in market cap. It's still going to do that, okay? But it's not the chosen one, okay? And it's not the one that I think Elon's going to put some chips into if he puts some chips into a crypto like he did with Dogecoin, okay? Why? Because you got to ask yourself, this Pepe right here is nothing more than an ERC20 token. It's just a token on Ethereum. Anybody can create it. There's really nothing special or unique about it. It's not anything fancy, okay? And yet, that's the crazy thing about crypto, it's still going to do crazy well. It's still going to go to multi-billions, 100 billion in market cap or more, okay? But let me show you something, guys, okay? Let me show you something. This is the real Pepe. Pepe coin, PEP, okay? This is the chosen one. And if you notice a narrative here, okay? Right on this peak right here, right on this peak is right when Elon started talking about Pepe. Isn't that interesting, okay? Now, why is this Pepe so special? The reason why is because this Pepe is its own blockchain. Let's have a quick peek over here at this website, okay? It's its own blockchain. It's open source. It was forked off of Dogecoin, and you can mine it. It's going to do big things. I promise you that, okay? If you know one thing about crypto, if you've been in crypto as long as I have, like 2013, then you know that a proof of work crypto, what does that mean? Proof of work. Just like Bitcoin is proof of work, just like Dogecoin is proof of work, meaning you can mine it to validate the transactions on the blockchain. You can earn the currency by mining it, okay? You can mine Pepe, you can mine Dogecoin, you can mine Litecoin, all right? So guys, this Pepe right here, I'm telling you right now, this is the true Pepe. Watch what happens. It is an inevitability that at some point in the future, it's going to flip the other Pepe, okay? Just mark my words. Mark my words. This video will be proof and testament to that when it ultimately happens. Will it happen this bull run? Probably not. Will it happen by next bull run? Maybe. Let's watch and let's see. But I'll tell you one thing. Do you think that a multi-billionaire, the richest man in the world, is going to put his money into an ERC20 token or a real proof of work crypto like Pepe coin, PEP? Okay? And by the way, should I mention, you can mine the same way you mine Dogecoin and Litecoin with a script miner, an L9. Okay? So, and also it's triple mineable. So if you have an L9 script miner, you can mine Litecoin, Pepe, and Doge at the exact same time. So guys, anyways, wanted to make this video as a proof of what's going to happen in the future with Pepe coin. You heard it here first, and I'll be sure to rub it back in your face once it becomes a reality. All right, I'll talk to you then. See you.